You scroll through your contacts looking for someone to call, and somehow every single name feels like the wrong one to dial. If that feels familiar, you're far from alone. Loneliness is currently highest among young people, many of whom lost the social structures that used to build friendships automatically. School did something we rarely appreciate. It locked you in a building with the same people again and again until friendship happened almost by accident. Once that structure disappears, so does the easy path to connection. Here's the most important finding in friendship research: proximity beats personality. One study found that in dormitories, the distance between rooms predicted friendship better than shared interests did. The biggest reason most adults lack friends isn't a personality flaw. It's simple prioritization. After work, commuting, and everyday exhaustion, the couch is just easier than the bike ride or the dinner invite. The average teenager now spends more time on TikTok daily than socializing with friends combined. The time that used to build relationships is quietly being spent somewhere else. Friendship networks are built around central hubs, not even distribution. So when one connected person leaves your life, a move, a breakup, a falling out, you can lose access to an entire group at once. If a big life change left you starting over, know this: new friendships can begin within weeks. It just takes a few consistent months for a casual connection to become a real one. Go where you'd actually enjoy being, not where friendship seems statistically more likely. Introverts thrive in quieter, smaller settings. Extroverts thrive in louder, busier ones. Pick the room that fits you. Hobby stores, local clubs, meetup groups, volunteer organizations. These are rooms already filled with people who share something with you before you've said a single word. Being present consistently, even without saying much, measurably increases how much people like you. Just showing up again and again does real psychological work. Don't overlook the friends you've lost touch with. Research shows people almost always appreciate being reached out to, far more than the anxious version of you expects. That one small message, sent despite the fear of it landing wrong, often gets answered with more warmth than you predicted. The risk is almost always smaller than it feels. You don't have to wait for an invitation. Be the one who sends it. A dinner, a game night, a casual gathering. Organizing connection is one of the most appreciated things a person can do. The fastest way to turn an acquaintance into a friend is simple: be genuinely curious about them. People consistently like people who are interested in who they actually are. But it goes both ways. Open up a little too. Sharing something real about yourself signals that it's safe for the other person to do the same. And that's where a real connection starts. Making the first move towards someone you vibe with is genuinely scary, but they are very likely feeling the exact same hesitation, blocked by the same fear of rejection you are. Once a friendship begins, the thing that keeps it alive isn't grand gestures. It's checking in, showing up during hard moments, small, consistent attention over time. Friendship rebuilds the way it was built the first time, slowly, through shared time, not all at once. And the web that felt broken can become whole again. Your brain is hardwired to seek connection. There are people right now who would be genuinely glad to have you in their life. Go find them.